Hello everyone, I am Mr. Easy and you are welcome to Easy Peasy. I know you are wondering why I'm in the kitchen. Well, today we are going to tackle a simple household chore that most people feel lazy to do, especially the men. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to wash dishes. Step 1, we need a soap, a sponge, and of course a clean running water. First, I'm going to pick up my sponge, then I'm going to wet it with the water. Then I'm going to pour a little amount of soap onto my sponge. I'm going to pick up my plate, then I'm going to start washing. Now, you have to wash the plate gently and make sure to wash all the corners and of course the edges. Wash it gently and thoroughly. Then you turn the plate, wash the back, and make sure the back is also clean. When you are done, you are going to turn on the tap to rinse your dishes. Now I'm going to rinse the plate and make sure all the foams are off. Then I'm going to hang the plate in the plate board and make sure it dries. So now you are going to repeat this action and make sure all your plates are well washed and clean because cleanliness is next to godliness. And there you go. You have successfully learned how to wash dishes easy and quick.